In the last weekly catch-up call, we explained how the market cycles work. Okay, so June of 20, Bitcoin broke out of the triangle pattern, ascending triangle pattern on multi-week basis, and 10,000 was the signal where we got systems through most of the algorithms saying that Bitcoin has broken out and probably entered a new bull cycle for this year, and people were really skeptical, reluctant to accept that cryptocurrency market cycle is ticked in again. And that was the time we had major allocation towards Bitcoin. Probably say 70 to 80% of our capital was deployed to Bitcoin, and 30% or 35% of the capital was deployed to Ethereum. And Ethereum was trading at around $250 at that time, and Bitcoin was trading at around $10,000. So that's where we made big money. And then once we got to know that Bitcoin is going to consolidate or should remain range bound, and the money will flow to the altcoins, that's when we started having exposure to altcoins. And if you see, year to date returns of Bitcoin has gone down to 30 to 35% now after the correction. And if you see XMINT's return are still around 250 to 300%. So if you see, we have outperformed Bitcoin year to date performance by almost 10x, where Bitcoin has delivered returns of 35 to 40%, where we have delivered the returns of 250 to 300%. So to answer your question, so there are different cycles in cryptocurrency markets. So if we want to beat Bitcoin, outperform Bitcoin, we need to be with altcoins which has potential to deliver better gains than Bitcoin. So that's how we have positioned our portfolio. If you see, major of our holdings are into EOS, COTI, and Dash. So these three tokens look really amazing as compared to Bitcoin in terms of the gains. So yeah, definitely they'll bleed a lot as compared to Bitcoin in this correction, but when the cycle reverses, probably you will see mind-boggling returns coming out of these tokens. But the point is that you need to know when to book profits, and when to sit in the stable coins, and when to have allocation towards Bitcoin or Ethereum. So we have spent quite a lot of time into cryptocurrency markets, developed systems and things like that. So we do it in a very professional way, and our goal is to outperform Bitcoin and deliver better returns for our clients. But if you can't do that, so I would say stick to Bitcoin. If you want to outperform Bitcoins, stay invested with crypto markets through some professional like us, maybe us or somebody else. It is your call.